Hey guys, what's up? Crazy Place here. Today I am on Roblox doing something weird. As you can see, I am recording with Screencast-O-Matic just now because the screen recorder that I have, I cannot pause it. It's kind of really annoying. So this is the screen recorder that's not laggy. Well, it might be, I'm not sure. But anyway, guys, I am here to change up my avatar. I know I only changed it like yesterday, but I don't like the skin tone. So I want it to be like this. Oh, okay, hello. And I want something nice. Hats. How about this hat? Yeah, no. So guys, I will be back once I found an outfit that I like. So guys, this is my avatar now. Let's go jump into a game. So guys, we're now in a game. I think we're gonna go ahead and join Royal High. Okay, so we're in Royal High. It's 11:09 a.m. So I think I'm gonna wait to the dance and hopefully then do something I have planned for this video. So guys, it's now time to go to bed, and I am going to show you what I do in the morning, technically like what I do in real life. So let's get going. So when I wake up in the morning, I just like to chill in my bed for like 5 minutes and then I'll eventually get up. Okay, now I get dressed and then I do something unexpected of you guys, so let's get over to there. As I indeed come to the yard and have to see to my horse, so guys, oh no, running into walls. My game's really lagged. Stop. Seriously, dude, stop. Stop doing this, it's annoying. Meet Biscuit, guys. Hello, XX, whatever her name was. So I would usually give Biscuit some water. I've already fed Biscuit, so I'm not going to feed him again. Because I did just arrive, but I just managed to magically feed him. Okay, and then I give him a little broom. And then head off to school. So yeah, now I'm in school. Go ahead to go to my classes. And yeah, guys, so if you did enjoy this video, please make sure to leave a like and also subscribe. And I will see you all next time. Goodbye.